Ecosystem Services PES scheme was launched at the Drda Conference Hall, DC Office Ampati on the 24th June 2022. The purpose of the scheme is to support villages and aims at providing financial incentives to villages, communities, clans and individuals who are willing to conserve existing natural forests for a period of 30 years so as to offset losses particularly to users of the forest due to conservative measures. Villages, communities, clans or individuals that have a minimum of 5 hectares of natural forest are eligible to apply under the scheme. Those with land smaller than 5 hectares can group their lands with other natural forest land owners so that the total size becomes 5 hectares or more, provided that these forest lands are close by. Other factors eligible applicants can avail up to Rs 15,000 hectare per year for a period of 5 years. The first year of the scheme is being funded under Community-Led Landscape Management Project, and the amount can be used by recipients to take up activities as specified in the PES guidelines. From the second year onwards, 50% of the funds will be used by recipients to take up additional conservation measures, while the remaining 50% will be given as untied funds that will equitably benefit the owner of the forest and all users of the forest. One has to apply through the proper prescribed format and get selected to avail the scheme.